again. It's a rich thing.
Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best solar panel kits for homes in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Number 10. Sooner Power 50 watts monocrystalline 12V solar panel kit. Sooner Power was founded by a team of technicians who worked together for at least 10 years in solar industry prior to starting the company. To serve our customers by bringing transparency, simplicity products and services through the competitive marketplace. We are committed to providing home and business owners with an easy way to be powered by affordable, clean and reliable solar power. The 50-watt basic off-grid solar panel kit is ideal for a variety of DC applications, including RVs, boats, 12-volt battery charging and LED lights. Made with high-efficiency monocrystalline solar cells for years of service, this solar kit is easy to install and virtually maintenance-free. An anodized aluminum frame and a sealed junction box make the panel weatherproof for outdoor use. The kit includes one-piece 50-watt monocrystalline solar panel, an IP65 waterproof intelligent charge controller and 3-piece SAE cable kits, battery clamps, battery rings and bare wire cable, and manual. Number 9. Rich Solar 200W 12V monocrystalline solar kit. Rich Solar's 200W 12V solar kit delivers sufficient power to charge almost all single and dual 12V batteries. With this power, you can easily power your trailers, boats, and RVs. If you want to power large trailers or use it for other high-power demanding tasks, you can upgrade the kit to 400 watts power. The kit includes two panels that are made of premium quality monocrystalline solar cells for generating a high output power. The surface of the solar panels are coated with anti-reflective materials to receive maximum sunlight and generate more power. When it comes to the installation part, there is not much work involved. You do not have to use any tools for installing the kit, thanks to the pre-assembled wiring harness. Since all the brand's products are compatible with each other, it is also quite easy to customize, expand, and upgrade the system. On top of all these features, you get a 25 years output warranty from the brand. So, you can have peace of mind and be assured that this solar kit will meet your power demands for a long time period of 25 years and above. Number 8. Nupua 100W 12V polycrystalline solar panel. Next comes on our list is the Nupua polycrystalline solar panel. It is a very popular brand that provides quality products and better services to the customers. Though it offers quality products, there are some minor elements that made us list number 14. When compared to others, the performance of the Nupua solar panel kit is too good because it can work in different environments, portable design and long-lasting. If you see the rating 85 out of 100 have given a 5-star rating, and if you want to have the solar panel in your home within your budget, then go for it. Along with the hardware parts, an instruction manual is given to the customers to guide them about the working of a solar panel with neat sketches. Number 7. Mule Store Solar Panel Kit. The Mule brand is well known and trusted for providing high-quality products that meet federal safety standards. Among their wide product range, FM123 Solar Panel Kit has taken a place in our list because of its quality and efficiency. It has 10 watt of power capacity, which is a perfect alternative choice to traditional power source and perfect companion to automatic gates. Installing these solar panel kits help in increasing the power bill savings and also increase your property value. They are also a perfect option for gates that doesn't have power source nearby. You can even claim 30% residential energy efficient property tax. It comes in disassembled state. However, it is pretty easy to install using the instructions mentioned by the manufacturer. Number 6. Dokyo 160 watts 18 volts monocrystalline foldable solar panel. Number 7 is from Dokyo. It is famous for designing high-quality electronic components and my favorite model on the list. This solar panel comes with thick fabric protection and a carrying handle to move components to other places. Using the solar monocrystalline material, it maximizes the output by reducing the loss. as it is made up of durable materials, very easy to install and make ideal for long-term usages. You can mount the solar panels on boats, cabins, cars, and rooftops. That is why it more suitable for home or outdoor activities and listed number 7 of top 10. Number 5. Top Solar 100-watt 12-volt monocrystalline solar panel kit. Next on our list is Top Solar's 100-watt 12-volt solar panel kit. If you want a solar panel kit for charging 12V batteries, then this is the perfect one for you. The kit is specifically designed for charging boats, caravans, RVs, and other remote power use. If the power is not sufficient, you can increase this system to 400W 12V setup or 800W 24V setup. The solar panel kit comes with 4 pieces of Z mounting brackets and pre-drilled holes on the back side of the solar panel. So, you won't have any difficulties in installing this kit. You can install the kit faster, and drilled holes ensure it is secured firmly in its position. The kit has several safety features in place to ensure that it lasts longer without any internal failure. The PWM function protects the battery from reverse polarity, discharge and short circuit, overload, and overcharge. It has an aluminum frame lined with tempered glass to make it resistant against high winds and snow loads. Number 4. Windy Nation 100-watt solar panel off-grid RV boat kit. Next one in the list is from Windy Nation, and the name of the product is Windy Nation 100W solar panel kit. For its uniqueness and budget-friendly nature made us list number 4. You can charge the panel on an average of 350 Wh per day, or sometimes it may depend on the availability of sunlight. The charge controller has adjustable settings to display the readings of voltage, current, and temperature. The controller can handle to a maximum of 8 pieces of a solar panel. Number 3. Akapower 100W foldable solar panel kit. Number 3 on the list is from Akapower manufacturer. The company has 7 years of experience in selling the quality products and serves the customers over 50 countries. For this reason, it has become our top priority. The solar panel kit contains 2 pieces of monocrystalline panels with 10A charge controller and alligator clips. Additionally, you can also connect to the panel via MC4 connectors to charge the battery faster. To make the solar panel device work effectively, it should be faced directly to the sunlight. It usually works with 2 different batteries at the same time. The components included in designing the solar panel for home or other. Although the cost is very high, the performance of Akapower solar panel kit is excellent. The best part of this product is that it can be connected to different components and produces stable power at the output. Number 2. Zamp Solar Legacy Series Portable Solar Panel Kit. Next on our list is Zamp Solar's Portable Solar Panel Kit. Zamp Solar is a popular brand that specializes in developing innovative and high-quality solar solutions to help you thrive off-grid. This solar kit comes with a 140-watt foldable solar panel to power up your RV batteries. The solar panel is integrated with a 5-stage digital charge control to protect your battery and extends its life by 3x. The charge control is mounted on an easy view bracket so that you can monitor it conveniently. The kit comes with all essential components to charge most 12-volt batteries, including lithium batteries. Plus, the solar panel supports Zamp Solar Ready RV ports. There is no installation required, and you can use this solar panel right out of the box. You can connect the solar panel to batteries with the help of SAE plug or alligator clips that are included in the kit. Number 1. Renogy 100 watts 12 volts monocrystalline solar starter kit. Number 1 on the list is from Renogy brand. The name of the product is Renogy 100 watts monocrystalline solar starter kits. For its easy installation and portable nature made our list in the first place. It is perfect for the newcomers who are fascinated to learn the interesting concepts and apply to real-time applications like boats, sheds, cabins, and trailers. You can get this wonderful solar panel kit at reasonable prices. The kit mainly comprises a controller that helps to monitor the solar panel effectively, and negative ground controller ensures the safety. When compared to others, you can expand the power supply up to 400 watts, the input voltage of 12V DC, and also implement the PWM technology. When you keep an eye on charge controller, you will be able to see LED indicators and flooded batteries.